Hello, welcome back to Alexa Likes. We are going to talk about how to reset your wellness routine after a major slip up. Listen, I've had two of these. I'm at my third bouts of trying to lose weight again. This always happens to me after major life events. If you've been watching my channel for a while, my mother passed away. It has not been easy. I'm gonna share some soft tips with you on how you can get on board. If that is what you're looking for, I would imagine so because you are on this video. I, for context, am a 37-year-old coming the end of April. I am about 5'6.5", so 5'7" on a good day, and now weighing in at 163 pounds. Previously, like just about 2.5 years ago, I was 130 pounds and in the best shape of my life because I was already on a fitness journey before she ended up getting diagnosed. I was super focused on healthy nutrition and fitness. That really helped me get through the caregiving period. I don't know how I would have done it had I not been as fit as I was. But then after she passed away, I fell off, right? Because, life was lifing, okay? And I got super focused on decluttering my home, literally going into autopilot when it came to 9 to 5, eating, sleeping, and just getting through it, quite honestly. So right now I'm kind of ready to circle back, and I just wanted to give you some context to let you know where I was coming from. But yeah, two of my other major weight loss life turnovers were basically after breakups where I really let myself go, much worse than now. I think my highest weight was 174 pounds, if I'm not, yeah, that's what it was. I've always been into wellness, not always into working out per se. I want to work smart and not work hard. I posted a video about it. I fell off after a month. I tried to pick up again and then I would fall off. Don't wait for the right time to do this. Start this. It doesn't matter if it is April and not January. If it's the middle of the week, the middle of the month, just stop waiting for Mondays to start. This is the only time that we really own. The past is just memories, and the future is just hopeful thinking. Because at the end of the day, you never know what's going to happen. I'm not going completely all in and crazy hard like I did my last round, because when I was trying to lose weight in 2020, I started with doing like 45 to 60 minute, sometimes an hour and 20-minute long workouts if I added in the warm up and the cool down. I'm not down to do it that way. I want to do it a little bit more organically in a way that fits with my life. So incorporating more walking, being more mindful of what kind of snacks I'm having and how frequently I am snacking as well. Instead of doing a 60-minute workout or meal prepping like a bodybuilder, I'm going to be doing short daily habits and weekly habits that mitigate my eating and my routines. So the 3 rules. First, I'm gonna find a way to move every day, even if it's just a 10-minute mad fit, weightlifting along with a walk outside for an hour or a walk home from work. Even if I don't feel like it, I think especially getting outside now that it is getting warmer, even though it snowed yesterday, that would be a good way to just incorporate some healthy activity. Second, I'm going to eat before I'm starving. I have recently adopted protein smoothies and or protein snacks in the morning, because there have been times where I've fallen off and been like, okay, I'm gonna have a croissant and a coffee in the morning, which just opens me up to more sugar cravings throughout the day. I notice that if I have some vegetables and protein in the morning, or a protein smoothie in the morning that has fruit and veg, I'm already light years ahead. I just don't have as many cravings throughout the day. So that's one way that I'm mitigating. And third, I'm going to track the small wins. I don't want to wait for big changes to track things. I'm going to be taking pictures of myself, pictures of my plate of food, All of these things, which can later actually translate into content where I'm documenting my advancement at the same time as keeping myself motivated to continue to pursue my goals, because I'm seeing these little wins, like these pants fit me better, for example. Another thing that I do that helps to keep me accountable as well is I pick up my agenda the night before. I'll write groceries and the list of groceries that I'm going to buy. I already have in mind what meals I'm going to be having for the next 7 days, what ingredients that I have to compose meals and remix my ingredients to make different meals. I'll meal prep the meat I'm going to be having for the next day, or I'll roast a bunch of vegetables knowing that those are going to be the sides to my next 4 dinners, for instance. I know I'm not alone in this. I know that a lot of you also struggle with this, because whenever I posted these types of videos, I get feedback. If you're starting over, this is your sign. It's never too late. And actually, don't even consider it starting over. Just consider it getting back up after a fall from already taking action towards your goals. Don't aim for a full transformation right from the get-go. Take your ideal into ChatGPT and ask it what daily steps that you can take based off of the schedule that you already have, and see if you can tweak and modify certain routines in your life. Let me know if you're also hitting the reset button with me. If you want updates as I go, we'll create a mini series. If not, I'll just be doing check-ins, partly for myself, but also because I know that it motivates people who need to see it. The algorithm takes care of that. Either way, thank you for being here. Let's take care of ourselves, and I will see you in my next video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.